Good morning, everyone. My name is Arjun 699. I'm the founder and CEO of Humanic. I'm going to quickly in this video tell you in 4 steps how to get started. Step 1, enter your prompt just like you would at Lovable, Perplexity, any of the modern tools, and pick a model. We test all the models and we put a tag called best, so you don't have to worry. Just use the model that has the tag best to generate your emails. As soon as you enter a prompt, an email will be generated. So this is an email that I was able to generate. Any versions will show up here so you can go back and forth. That's step 1. Step 2 is make sure that you have the right name, sender name, and you have some way to send this email out. You can either connect your Gmail account, which is straightforward, or you can connect your domain, which will take a little bit of, you can go to the settings and set up your domain. Step 3 is to send a test email. It's best practice to send a test email to make sure everything looks right. You can enter your test email or any email here and send this out, and so you can see how it looks on your mail client. Fourth is to send out the email to a set of customers, prospects, leads, whatever. For that, we have a separate section called People, where you can import your CSV of leads, campaigns, prospects, or you can enter them manually if you have a limited number. You can create cohorts by asking the LLM different questions, prompts, and it will create these cohorts. Once you have these cohorts, you can go back and to the campaign and select that cohort that you just select, like Japanese users, whatever. You can also upload a CSV, or we also have the option to connect it through webhooks. So that's it. Go to humanic.ai. It's free to get started, and go on. Thanks.